Hello my dear students. So today we are going to start the continuation of exercise 5C page number 93. So in the previous video we have completed till question number 2. Now I am going to start question number 3. So in question number 3 we have solve the following. So I will do few questions from this question number 3 and the remaining you have to do it by yourself. So first 3-1. Question number 1 we have 1 by 7 plus 3 by 14. So here we have to see the denominator. First denominator we have 7 and the next one we have 14. So we have to take the LCM of this denominator. So 7 and 14. Now if we take LCM by 7, it will go 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Again with 2, 1, 2 1s are 2. That means LCM equals to 7 2s are equals to 14. That means here we are getting LCM 14. Now after taking LCM we have to divide this 7 by this 14 by 7. So 7 2s are 14. 2. It will go 2 times. Then at the numerator we have 1 plus this 14 we have to divide by 14. So 14 1s are 14 into whatever we have in the numerator we have to write that. So next step we have 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3 divided by 14. So 2 plus 3 here we have 5 by 14. So this is your answer. Okay, so next question number 3, soft part 3 we have 1 by 6 plus 1 by 9. So here also we will do the same thing. First we take LCM. So 6 and 9. So it will go by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again we can do it by 2, 2 1s are 2, 3. Again it will go by 3, 1, 3 1s are 3. So LCM equals to 3 into 2 into 3 equals 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So LCM we have 18. Now what we'll do that we will divide this 18 by 6. So 6 3s are 18 into whatever we have in the numerator plus again we'll divide this 18 by 9. 9 2s are 82 into we have 1 in the numerator. So next step we have 3 1s are 3 plus 2 1s are 2 divided by 18. So again if we add this to 3 plus 2 we have 5 by 18. So this is the answer for question number 3. The next question we have 7 by 8 minus 2 by 3. So the process is same. Here also we will take the LCM. So we have 8 and 3. Now this 8 and 3 we have to take LCM by 3. So 8 will remain 8, 3 1s are 3. Again it will go by 8. So 8 1s are 8. So LCM equals to 3 into 8 equals to 24. Now LCM is 24. So what we'll do that we'll divide this 24 by 8. So 8 3s are 24 into whatever we have in the numerator we have 7 minus here also we have to divide this 24 by 3. So 3 8s are 24. 8 into whatever we have in the numerator we have to write here. Now next step 7 3s are 21 minus 8 2s are 16 divided by 24. Now what we have to do that we have to subtract this 16 from 21. So we can do it here 21 minus 16. So we can borrow 1 11 11 minus 6 5. This one is 1. So answer will be 5 by 24. The next question we have question number 7. 5 by 14 minus 5 by 21. So here also for this question we'll take LCM 14 and 21. So it will go by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Now again do it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 3. By 3, 1, 1. So LCM equals to 7 into 2 into 3. So here we will get 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. LCM is 42. So here we will write 42. Now next what we will do that we will divide this 42 by 14. So 14 3s are 42. So 3 into whatever we have in the numerator we have to write here 5 minus. Now again we have to divide this 42 by 21. So 21 into 2 is 42. 2 into 5. So here we will get 3 5s are 15 minus 2 5s are 10 divided by 42. So here we will get 15 minus 10 we have 5 by 42. So this is the answer for question number 7. Now next question we have question number 4, simplified. So here the numbers are given in a fraction, that is our mixed fraction. So we have to make it into a simple fraction. Then we have to take the LCM. So here 12 7. 12 into 7, we have to multiply that. 7 to the 14 plus 14. 4 carry 1, 7 1 the 7 plus 1 8. So 84, this one you have to multiply, and whatever we have in the numerator we have to add it. So 12 into 7 we have 84 plus 1 we have 85. 85 by 12 plus 3 3s are 9. Here these two numbers we have to multiply, and whatever we have in the numerator we have to add. So 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3. Now we have to take the LCM of this 12 and 3. 12, 3. So it will go by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Now we can directly take it by 4. 4 1s are 4, 1. So here LCM equals to 3 4s are 12. 12. Now next what you have to do that we have to divide this 12 by this 12. So 12 1s are 12. 1 into whatever we have in the numerator 85 plus this 12 again we have to divide it by 3. So 3 4s are 12. 4 into whatever we have in the numerator we have to write it here. So when we multiply this 85 into 1 we will get 85 plus this 4 into 10 40 by 12. So here we are getting 85 plus 40 by 12. Now next step what we have to do that we have to add this 85 and 40. So do it here 85 plus 40, 5, 8 plus 4, 12. So we will get 125. So here 125 by 12. Now you can keep it as it is also, or you can make this one given fraction into a mixed fraction. So if you do it in a mixed fraction, what you have to do that you have to divide this 125 by 12. This 125 by 12 if you divide or if you convert it into a mixed fraction you will get 12. 12 10s are 120 plus 5. 12 into 10 equals we will get 120 plus 5. So total we will get 125. This 125 can be written as 12, quotient we have 10 and the remainder we have 5. So here 12 into 10, 120 plus this 5 will get 125 by 12. So this is the answer for this question number 4 or 1. And next question from this question number 4 we have 8 5 by 6 minus 2 3 by 4. So here we have to convert this number into a simple fraction. So here we have to multiply this 8 into 6. So 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 we have 53 by 6 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM of 6 and 4. 6 4. So it will go by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2 it will go. 2 1s are 2. Then 3. 3 1s are 3. So LCM equals to, we have 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So LCM we have 12. Now next, what we have to do, that we have to divide this 12 by 6. So 6 2s are 12 into whatever we have in the numerator, that is 53. We have to write it here 53 minus, here we have to divide this 12 by 4. So 4 3s are 12. 3 into, in numerator we have 11. So we have to multiply that. Next step we have 53 into 2. So here you can do it. 53 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. So here we are getting 106 minus 11 3s are 33 divided by, we have 12. Now next, what we can do, that 106 minus 33. So you do it here. 106 minus 33. So 6 minus 3, 3. 10 minus 3 we have 7. So here we will get 73 by 12. Now we can convert this number into mixed fraction also. So for doing that, we have to divide this 73 by 12. So we have to know the multiplication of 12. 12 6 are 12 5 are 60. 12 6 are 72. 72. Remainder is 1. So answer will be remainder 1, quotient 6, and its divisor we have 12. So this is the answer for question number 4-3. Now next I am going to solve this question number 5. This is also simplified, but the difference is that in the previous question number 4 we had only 2 terms. Now we have 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So process is same. We have to take the LCM of this denominator. Here we have 10, 9, 15. So we'll take LCM 10, 9, 15. So here it will go by 5. 5 2s are 10. 9 will remain as it is. 5 3s are 15. Now again do it by 2. So 2 1s are 2. It will remain as it is. Now next it will go by 3. 1 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Again by 3 it will go 1 1 1. So LCM equals to, we have 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 5 2s are 10 into 3 3s are 9. So here 10 into 9 we are getting 90. That is LCM equals to 90. Now next what we'll do, that we'll divide this 90 by 10. So 10 9s are 90. So it will go by 9 times. So 9 into, we have 7 in the numerator, plus again if you divide this 90 by 9, it will go 10 times. 10 into, we have 8, plus if we divide this 90 by 15, it will go 6 times. 6 into, we have 60. Now we have to multiply this 2. So 9 7s are 63, plus 10 into 8, 80, plus 16 into 6. You can do it here. 16 into 6. So 6 is a 36. 36, 6, carry 3. 6 1 is 6 plus 3, 9. So we have 96 divided by 90. Now we have to add these different numbers. 63 plus 80 plus 96. Now add it. 63, 80, 96. So 6 plus 3, 9. Here 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 9, 14 plus 6, 20 plus 3, 23. So here we get 239. 239 by 90. Once again check it. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 23. So we are getting 239 by 90. Now you can convert this number into mixed fraction or you can keep it as it is also. Next question we have 5, 3. So 17 by 12 minus within bracket 1 by 6 plus 5 by 18. So according to board mass, what we have to do that we have to solve first within the bracket. Then we'll come to the next step. So we'll write this one as same 17 by 12 minus. Now within bracket we have 6 and 18. So what we'll do that we'll take the LCM of this 6 and 18. Directly we will go by 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 3 is 18. So again by 3 we can do it. So LCM will be 18. Now what we have to do that we have to divide this 18 by 6. So when we divide this 18 by 6, it will go 3 times. 3 into, in the numerator we have 1 plus, here if we divide this 18 by 18, so it will go 1 time. 18 1 is 18 into whatever we have in the numerator, we have to write it. Now next step we have 17 by 12 minus 3 1s are 3 plus 5 1s are 5 divided by 18. Now next step we have 17 by 12 minus 3 plus 5, 8. We have 8 by 18. Now we can open this bracket. So from here we have 17 by 12 minus, we have to multiply this number with this negative sign, so it will be minus 8 by 18. Minus 8 by 18. So the next step again, what we have to do that we have to take the LCM of this 12 and 18. 12, 18. So it will go by 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Now we can do it by 2, 2 1s are 2, again by 3 it will go. So LCM equals to 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So here LCM will be 36. Now again we will follow the same process. What we will do that we will divide this 36 by 12. So when we divide this 36 by 12, it will go 3 times. So 3 into 17 minus, if we divide this 36 by 18, it will go 2 times. So 2 into, we have 8. Now next step, we have to multiply this 17 into 3. So when we divide this, when we multiply this 17 and 3, we will get 51. 51 minus 8 to the 16 divided by 36. Now next step we have 51 minus 16. So here we will do 51 minus 16. Now it will not go 1 minus 6. So what we have to borrow 1. It will be 11. 11 minus 6 we have 5. Now this is your 4. 4 minus 1 we have 3. So here we will get 35 by 36. So this is your answer.